Jai Sriman-Narayana. 28th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatendriya mano buddhihi munirmoksha parayanaha vigatecha bhayakrodhaha yassada muktayeva saha. Om. Control your senses, mind and intellect. Give up fear, desire and anger. Keep the ultimate goal of your life as your only objective. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall control my senses, my mind and my intellect. O Krishna, I shall give up fear, desire and anger. O Krishna, I shall keep the ultimate goal of my life as only my objective. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, వ్యాసమహర్షి నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ruchirasva son is Para, Para's sons are Prudhusena Nipa. Putra Setam Tvabhut, Nipa got 100 sons. Nipa's wife is Kruti, she is the daughter of Sukha. And they gave birth to Brahmadatta. That Brahmadatta, Yogi Sagavi Bharyayam Vishvaksenam Adhat Sutam. That Brahmadatta is such a great yogi, and his wife is Saraswati. They gave birth to Vishvaksena. Vishvaksena is the one who gave detailed explanation to yoga. Now Vishvaksena's son is Udaksena. His son is Bhalluta. This is one dynasty. And there is another dynasty, Dvimedha. His son is Yavinara. His son is Krutimana. Krutimana's son is Satyadhruti. Satyadhruti's son is Drudhanemi. Drudhanemi's son is Suparsva. Suparsva's son is Sumati. And his sons are Sannatimana Kruti. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 28th sloka. Yatendriyamano buddhihi munirmokshaparayanah vigatecha bhayakrodhaha yassada muktaye vasaha. Yatendriyamano buddhihi munirmokshaparayanah vigatecha bhayakrodhaha yassada muktaye vasaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.